Hello people, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I will like to show you the way how to remove stickers on TikTok application. So the first thing you have to do, of course, you need to open the TikTok application, and right after that you just need to take a look on your profile. So basically whenever you open it, you will stay in the home sections here, but then there will be like 5 sections down here, right? So you just need to open your profile, and then there will be information about your bio on the top side here, as well as your username, but I will like to hide it. And right after that, on the bottom line of the bio, there will be like several informations, which are, this one is for your content collection. The second part will be the place whenever you create a sticker, so there will be like save here. This one is for your private content, the content that you have been retweet or repost. This one is content that you saved, and this one is content that you liked. If you want to remove these stickers, make sure that you are stay on the second option or second sections here. So the next thing you need to do is just go pick which stickers that you want to remove. Let's say you want to remove this, so you just need to go click it, so that there will be like pop up several options down part here. There will be an option to delete these stickers, so you just need to go click it. Now don't forget to confirm that you want to delete it by go click the right side, and those stickers will already removed into or from your account. That is the way how to remove stickers on a TikTok. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I want to see you for the next tutorial.